Universal FM. How you doing? So, when you're on your journey to truth, don't be afraid to fall. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And don't point fingers at others who make mistakes. Mistakes are there to be made. Only from mistakes you will learn. You can learn a bit from seeing others, but you will not understand until you made that same mistake. It's like a broken leg. We all can recognize that it should be painful when you see someone with a broken leg, but you will never know what it feels like until you have one. So the same goes with, getting there. It's, everyone has their own steps, so, allow others to have a misstep here and there. Anyway, I gotta work. See you later.